Hello, Edge Dogs. I'm here with the birthday girl, Em.
Hey!
And we're going to the airport to go to Vietnam, and it's Em's it's her
Woo!
birthday.
Just doing last minute visa things, but at least we have our visas this time.
We do.
Woo!
See you in Vietnam. Airplane noises. Oh, hello, Edge Dogs. We have arrived in Vietnam in our hotel. Our luggage got delayed, well, because we had to stop over in Singapore and then go to Vietnam, but the luggage is in Singapore, but we're not in Singapore, so
So now we're just poor people.
yeah, we're just singing poor instead.
No, we've got delicious birthday cake from the
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some sick stuff right after I show you the hotel room. But that includes the sick stuff anyway. It's been a long day, bye. Alright, we've already freshened up, so it's a bit messy, but this is the bathroom. Oh, do you come with the room? No. This is the throne. Look how shiny it is. You could lay angry pythons in that. And then we've got a shower. It's a very nice room. We've got a cupboard. And we've got some of this stuff. I'm getting there, I'm saving it for last. And then Em's birthday, so they gave Em a happy birthday cake. How nice is that? Let's try and get some nice, like, oh, moody birthday. Oh, moody birthday. Okay, and there's a TV, and then there's a bed. There's a wild Emma under the sheets. Oh, I hope it's a wild Emma. Alright.
Can confirm.
Alright. Oh! And then we've got a view to outside. And another... I was going to say another reflection of me, but you can't see me. But yeah, this is outside. So this is Da Nang, Vietnam. I wonder if I can zoom in, or is that just going to look doggo? Doggo. I mean dodgy. The doggo came out. It's going to look doggo. We're 17 floors high. Alright, that's it for now, Edge Dogs. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, Danny.
Good morning, Em.
Good. Wanna get some Vietnamese as coffee?
Yes, I do.
Danny?
Yes, I do.
You want me to do my torch off?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Anytime Fitness, you need to lift your game. You need to get a screen on this machine. Okay, so we're just holding the microphone now. Alright, so Em and I are at the airport, we're waiting for our shuttle to go to the next place, and we decided to pay a little extra while we wait. But we got some fine Vietnamese cuisine.